God is good all the time. Happy first monthsary in my GF. USA, I'm Real Martinito from Talisay, Cebu. This is my entry. Hope you love it, guys. Keep safe, everyone, and God bless us all. Lord, I come to you. Let my heart be changed, renewed, flowing from the grace that I found in you. Lord, I've come to know the weaknesses I see in me will be stripped away by the power of your love. Hold me close, let your love surround me. Bring me near, draw me to your side. And as I wait, I'll rise up like an eagle, and I will soar with you. Your spirit leads me on in the power of your love. Lord, unveil my